It is currently Monday. We're about to do the Underglow install, but we need to feed everyone first. So, popping out the air fryer. We're feeding Saul first. Look at that. Good burger and some french fries in there. We're running off our external battery. Currently, we're at 76%. We have about 0.7 hours remaining.
So we're at the Plaid install location, and check out it airing down. It gets so low. This is super sick. Just watch this before the install. If you do want to see the install, check out the description. It's a pretty short video, but it shows you how to install Underglow on a Model X Plaid.
Yo, the wheels are in the arches. It looks nasty from the back. Look at the slammed Model X. This thing is low. Look at that. You can't even put your fingers in there. Ooh, the lights look a lot better at night.
Right?
All right, how do you raise it?
You guys ready?
Yes, sir. Oh! Nice.
This family's super nice. They took us out for dinner after the Underglow install. It was super late, but it was worth it because this Model X looks amazing with it. Thank you for the dinner, guys. We're so glad we met you, and we'll see you when we come back down.
The Voltas are broken. The Voltas are broken.
As always, we start off our day with a game of Uno. Okay, not really always, but we were supposed to have a shoot, but they moved it to a different day, which is fine. We had a pretty chill day today. We loved it, and we decided to just play in the water today. We also walked around the pier. If you want to see the sunset, check out these Sunday videos in the description below where you see the sunset. It is beautiful. So come with us and check out the beach.
Brandon. Oh my god, you put a smudge on the camera.
Oh, sorry, I'll clean it off right here. What's soap?
No, that is a block of wood.
That's all struggling. Look at the birdies. Bro, look at how far I'd be sinking in. That tan line is not amazing. Look at it run!
So I was not planning on getting wet today, but that all changed. I actually almost lost my phone as well when this wave came. Not this one, but when a wave came, it swept the phone out of my pocket. Thankfully, I was quick enough to grab it before the wave went back out. That could have been really, really bad.
Oh, jeez! Oh, I got my pants! Go back, go back, go back! Look at how high that thing is getting. Okay, these are actually pretty low. But, so we made this, right? I don't know why it's, oh, it's probably like the sand particles. Anyways, we made this sand castle. It used to be more of a castle, and we had a whole moat around it. The moat worked the first time, and then it got completely eroded the second time. So, that's for that. But, we're here at Hermosa Beach. Those are my feet. That's my hand.
So our car camping is kind of paused. Right now we're staying at a hotel for the night, but look at the glasses. Look at all that salt. These things are impossible to see out of. Needs cleaning. So we're gonna get a hotel. I think we're gonna air fry some food since we have a hotel. And we have a lot that we need to do tomorrow. So air fry dinner, shower, very nice, and just stay here, chill and edit.
Wait, try again. The motor's still going.
Is it?
Okay. Try again.
No, Brendan, no. Get off, get off.
Ow.
Shauna, look at me.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
We're about to shoot the Corvette with the Avada. I'm just gonna do one shot of me doing it. And it's locked. It's not locked. I just didn't press hard enough. So we just got done shooting with the Corvette. Now we're gonna be shooting with the G-Wagon. We're pulling it on that side of the pole, and then we'll do some more stuff with the Corvette. We have to get this thing out of here because the owner is gonna come pick it up super soon. But super dope. Check out the video shorts that we made on this thing. It is beautiful. So we're finishing up at Rude Boys Motorsports. We got the whole Corvette G-Wagon here. Our crew is right here. Everyone's here. All the equipment is on the inside. Look at all these colors you can get. Gotta check this out. Your boyfriend.
They came in crazy early.
They should try the drill.
Look at those superchargers down there. We are at the second location for the meetup. Here are our beautiful cars just scoping out the place. So we are here a few days before the meetup, just checking out the whole route and everything. The views are spectacular. They're not gonna get this at night, unfortunately, but they'll get a nice day view. So we just finished up another last minute shoot area in this area over here with this wall, all the stuff. We're just chilling. Ooh. There's Soul. It's Thursday and we're about to shoot some stuff. We are at Train Yard and we have a cool company down there. You can't see their name, but see if you can make it out from the sign. While we wait for the shoot, we got some chefness going on here. As always, we got our man in the chair, Saul, and the boy Carbon has just arrived. Look at this beast. So we're filming. It's a beautiful day. We have all of these trains here and Mr. Tesla Rap himself. Tesla FPV. Oh wait, that's me. We're doing the shooting here. It's a beautiful day, getting all this done. All the equipment is out here and we're getting a really dope shot. So check that out. We're doing 360 on the windscreen so we can get some interior angling as the car is now moving. We're literally just trying to get some lunch and we got this, so quite unfortunate.
So look, how many locks there are on this? That locks.
This locks. This locks. We're basically looking at camera equipment in Best Buy because we're upping our setup. We have a tripod that we're looking at right here. We're looking at gimbals also. That one's pretty complex. The Air is something that we are considering. It's still pretty big, but for the camera that it offers, it might be worth it. We're also getting an SSD later for more offloading footage. Found this park in LA. It's really nice. And we're practicing with some new equipment that we got. Tripod, new camera, drone stuff. It's gonna be fantastic. Yup. Super dope pyramid. All of our cars out here. Met some new friends today as always. Going up to that parking structure. Some more cool shots with the Roadster and the drones. Pyramid is super sick. And the airport is right behind it. So we got some cool visuals of the planes passing over the cars. It looks so, so sick.
Oh, that's sick.
I think it's speedy. Oh shoot. Yo, did you just hit a bump? Alright, it's Sunday. We're back here about to do our last scheduled photo shoot on taillights. So this is going to be the last time that you see these taillights plain like this. We're coming to Rude Boys Motorsports. We did some stuff for them. It's so funny.
I mean, last week I was available. Last Friday I was free.
I don't know if you can hear that, but there's literally coyotes around where we were just hanging out. We sent our new friend home. There are coyotes literally everywhere. So she just left. Thank goodness she's gonna be safe. I gotta check up on her. And we are dipping out of here immediately. I gotta get the freshly squeezed. Getting ready. We just finished our photo shoot. Some cars left, some cars still here, and we gotta help someone that's popped a tire. Got cool new merch from Finland. We got all the cars. You can park at the end next to that X. You just follow him. We got more cars rolling in. All the Teslas are out here, straight taking over. Other than that, we're sold. Yeah. Look at the Teslas. So we're at the hot EV nights. Got everyone here taking over the entire parking structure.
Oh, he's gonna get a kickback on it.
Yeah. It's the fake taxi.
Stickers.
He did, yeah. Ecstatic Model 3. Who's that? The night is super late. This car is probably my favorite here. Look at those lights. It's all in sync. These are stupid cool. And then all the interior as well. It's all linked. So we're about to head out and finish off our night. Oh, look, they have the train. So they have like a fingerprint scanner. You put your fingerprint and it assigns you just like a random locker. So check us out. You touch to rent a locker, it accepts your fingerprint, and then it gives you a locker. So 373, rental station 3, and you can just throw your stuff in there. Nice. That's the I want to go to double or something. Just like Harry Potter. It's a hi.
Your journey is about to start.
Brandon. LeBron James.
James LeBron. So this one can't cast spells.
No.
But I can still avocado you with it. No? Avocado. Sick though. Check this out. Guess who just bought her first one? Dumbledore one. And now we gotta look for some location to cast some spell. We've found... Oh, someone's in front of it. But we found the R. Go do a wavy wave. Oh, you have to make the R? Alright, get better at drawing. Nah. So here's what you do. Stand on the R and you go, Revelio. Oh my God, see, it even did it before I did it. What's up, little guy? Oh, it moves. Stand closer. Closer, not closer. A little bit closer. Oh! We found the mysterious number 2.
Incendio.
Say it louder. We didn't hear you.
Perfecticus.
The flower move. Wait, did it? Oh! You're a wizard, Christiana. We got the Allspark right here. We're in the military base. We broke in. Look at this guy.
You press the green button or you press the red button? No, you always press the big red button.
Just finished up our LA tour. Currently topping my friend off here because he didn't get any free voltage juice last night. We met some super cool people at the superchargers. They love the car. It is quite a long drive. We're gonna stop at Kettleman and then head back into our city to get ready to go on another trip this next weekend. That's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned for that. That'll be posted soon, and we'll see you soon. There's so much traffic on the way home. Look at this. We should have left earlier.